Hello, welcome back to Bell's Reading Corner. Today we are going to talk about the Just Right bike. In a little cottage lived two squirrel sisters. Their names were Paige and Sage. One fine day, they decided to go for a bike ride. The squirrel sisters got their red bike out of the shed, but they had a problem. We have only one bike. What can we do? Said Paige. Then Sage got a great idea. We can take turns, she said. Paige got on the bike first. She rode and rode and rode. Paige saw a big green turtle. Wowee eyes, she said. She just wished Sage was there too. Sage got on the bike next. She rode and rode and rode. Sage saw a furry orange fox. Wowee wee, she said. She just wished Paige was there too. I saw a big green turtle, said Paige. I saw a furry orange fox, said Sage. We both had a great time. We just wish we could ride together, said Sage. Then Paige got a great idea. Come with me, she said. Paige and Sage took the red bike to a bike shop. They traded the red bike for a new blue bike. That was just right. The squirrel sisters got on the new blue bike. They rode and rode and rode. They saw a nice yellow bird. They saw a pretty purple flower. Wowee zowie, said Paige and Sage. The squirrel sisters had the best time ever together. Okay, so this is the reading for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.